In this video, we are going to fix an error Windows 11 update code 0xc1900201. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. How we can do that at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and that way you'd be able to bring up the settings window. Here at the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, locate for an option called System, click on it, and under the System settings, you need to scroll down, find for Troubleshoot. Next is to go with Other Troubleshooters, and click on Run under the Windows Update, okay, corresponding to Windows Update. Once you have run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, close this window and then try to update your computer again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to proceed to the second step, and that is to delete the files under the temp folder. How we can do that? Press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open the small window called Run. Here, please type for percentage temp percentage and click on the OK button to proceed. Now from that, you need to delete all of these files. Control A to select the whole, Shift and Delete key to delete it, and click on Yes to confirm. So just have to skip those files in used. And then once you have completed the procedure, close this window and navigate to the next step, and that is to do this cleanup. How we can do that? Press Windows key and R key again. And this time, please type for clean MGR. Then click on the OK button, and then you will be able to open a small window where you can do this cleanup. Here it will calculate how much space you will clear or you will clean up on your disk. So from that, here at the box, please make sure all of this are being checked, the check boxes, and then please proceed to this, click on the clean up system files and click on OK. Click on delete files, and once you have click on it, you can now start the cleaning up of your disk. Please wait until this would be finished. It would depend on the machine that you are having. So the process will depend on that. Once you are done, you need to navigate to this search box here, and this time please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to wait until you can see a command prompt system, and from that you need to navigate here at the right side and run it as an administrator. So please click on run as administrator, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please type for SFC space / scan now. Then click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until this process would be finished. This will take some time, maybe 5 minutes or more than that. And once you have completed the procedure, please paste the second. So don't worry because I'll be including this commands at the YouTube description. You can simply copy and paste it here. So by that, you need to copy and paste it one by one. Once you are done with the SFC scan, you need to proceed to the checking the health of your computer. Copy and paste it here, and then proceed to the third once you are done with the second, which is to scan the health. And once you are done with that, proceed to this fourth, then that is to restore the health of your computer. Finally, restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you would be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.